These first cold days, with their quiet, invite me to reflection and introspection. Summer is gone, taking with it the long days and the laughter. Now the creeps under the clothes, the rain, the wind, and then the silence of nature that rests with its soft colors. I find myself looking out the window, admiring another colorful sunset and thinking about the time that has passed. Summer, with its long and bright days, now seems like a distant memory. And yes, in this melancholy, there is also a deep beauty. It is like, in this autumn, we're a bridge between the past and the future. A moment of transition in which I can take stock of what has been and prepare for what is to come. Right now, let me film this moment that has already passed.
Siamo conservatori e fermatori. Scattiamo foto per fermare il tempo e affidare i singoli momenti all'eternità. La natura umana resa tangibile.